Yo guys, good morning. Welcome to this channel. My name is Emmanuel Tomte and I'm a forex trader. So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from a PayPal account. And it's not a forex related video, so anybody that is in Nigeria and that wants to withdraw money from their PayPal account, this video is for you. So I've gone through a lot of hard times trying to withdraw money from my PayPal account. All the videos that I've looked for on YouTube don't really show me how to withdraw the money from my PayPal account, because while watching the videos, I'll watch the video and then I'll get to a level whereby they will tell me to do something that I don't have. Let's say, for example, I was watching one video last time and then I did everything the person told me to do. I opened my PayPal account and then I did everything the person told me to do, and then I got to a level whereby the person said I should buy a UK SIM card, which was like 20,000 naira. So I was like, why didn't you say this thing at the beginning of the video so I can just skip your video and look for other videos, right? But yeah, so I found another video, same thing, and then like all the strategies they were teaching me about how to withdraw the money from PayPal weren't really helping me. So I did my own research and then I got to a point whereby I was able to withdraw money from my PayPal account. So today I want to show you guys how to do that, because I don't want to waste your time like all those YouTubers used to do. So I just want you to know how to do it once and for all, so you'll be able to withdraw money from a PayPal account. Whoever you are, whichever type of PayPal account that you have, you can use this strategy I want to show you as a person that lives in Nigeria or in Africa to withdraw your money from PayPal. So before you do it, I want you to make sure to go and download Paxful or Noons. It's an app on Play Store or Apple Store. So just go on on Play Store or Apple Store and download Paxful or download Noons, and then once you install the app in your phone, open an account, verify your account, and then once it's verified, you can now follow the steps that I'm going to show you after this clip. I'll show you another video that I recorded on my phone, so you can follow the steps, and then from there you can start withdrawing money from your account. So do what I just said, and then after you do it, then you can start watching the video that will show you right after this clip. All right, thank you. And after watching the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all these things. Thank you.
So guys, I'm going to start the video. Like, it has taken me a while before I was able to find a customer that accepts goods and services. So this is our chat. It's a hi, PayPal account in your name, Tomte, right? And then I told him that I'm going to send the money as goods and services, and he said okay. So I'm going ahead to do that, and then yeah. So it said this is his name. After done, please attach the payment proof here. Alright, so I'm going to pay him, but before, let's read the terms and conditions. So it said you are buying 23 PayPal USDT is now in escrow. Alright, so now, so let me just go ahead and pay. So this is my PayPal account. Network is kind of slow. Alright, my $30 still there. Let me ask him something, because I know next time I'll be needing his number. Okay, they don't like WhatsApp, so let me copy this. Alright, so yeah, so let me go back and copy his mail address, and then go back here and put it here, and then close. So he's from Brazil. I'll send him $30. Right, and then I sent to Claude Sonordo. Save. So guys, this is how I did it. So now I'm withdrawing the money. So the next step is I bought the crypto, right? The next step is now to um to sell it to a Nigerian crypto trader. So I have a number here. In case you don't have a number, you can sell it. Like, let me show you how to sell it on Paxful, right? So I'll do sell theta. Alright, sell theta. Then yeah, I have theta, right? So what I will do is I will do Nigeria. So now we have theta, right? And then get paid via. So I'll say, all right, so bank transfer, and then yeah, so find offers. So let's wait, and then yeah, it's now showing Nachiman is online. So his rate is 781 Naira, and then we have Tolu, we have Neo Blatzer, we have. So like I was saying, let's look for the highest amount of this thing, right? So let me go for Ultra. So now I clicked on sell data with bank transfer, and then say I will receive 15,000 naira. You pay 12,000 naira. What? You pay 12,000 naira worth of data. So I'm selling it to this person ultra power trader. So I'm selling 23,000 USDT to receive 18,000 Naira only. Ah, so let me say hi to him and let's see if he's online. Alright, let's see if this person is online. So, alright, guys, this thing is not working. The guy is not online or something. So, let me cancel. And I'll call this guy. I have his contact, so I'll just call him. It's crypto. Good evening. So I want Paxful. So he's now the person that I sent him the stuff since. Is now that it's answering. What is he saying now? I'm on it. The guy is going to make the payment, so let's just wait. Let's just chill. He just messaged me. So maybe should I? Let me ask. Have you seen my details? Oh, okay. Trademarked as paid by Iga, so he has already paid. He already paid the money to my account. Let's just wait for alert. Right? Let's just wait for the alert on my phone. All right. So guys, it has just entered. So I've just seen it, and I'm going to release his crypto. All right. Here and then action, and then
I want to do some building overnight.
action send theta. Yeah, about send 20. What?
See, mommy, no, there's something I want to tell you.
All right, 12 a code.
Dungeon, maybe secret of my dungeon, something like that. Reading secret of a dungeon, something like that. About some people they found the dungeon and they were not painting there, surveying the place, something like that. And it's like enter, something like that.